Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you not just the name of an online earning platform, but the complete process how to build your profile, get a job, and start earning. There are many platforms like NativeCamp, Engu.com, Preply.com, and LiveXP.com. I've already uploaded a detailed video about NativeCamp and the link is in the description. In this video, we'll focus on LiveXP.com. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for LiveXP.com. Click on English Tutors to access the main dashboard. On the top left, you'll see various options. Click on Become a Tutor. Here, you can see you have the option to teach more than 40 languages, including English, Spanish, German, French, Chinese, and many more. For this tutorial, we'll create a profile for teaching English. Click on Become a Tutor to get started. Now, we need to sign up. You can sign up with Google, Apple, Facebook, email, or even your phone number. I'll proceed with my Google account. After signing up, select the language you want to teach and your proficiency level from A1 elementary to C2 proficient. Next, choose your interests. Whether you want to talk with people, teach business English, work with kids, or help students prepare for exams. Click Save. Here's the exciting part. You can earn $10 for a 60-minute lesson, $7.50 for 45 minutes, $5 for 30 minutes, and $3.49 for a trial lesson. New tutors also get a $10 bonus and an additional $10 when a new student subscribes. Now, click that you're over 18 years old and continue. Set your availability. Let's say Monday through the weekend from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Don't forget to set your time zone. If you're unsure, you can Google it. Once done, click Continue. At this point, you'll need to follow 3 steps. 1. Install the LiveXP app from the App Store or Google Play. 2. Sign in using the email you registered with. 3. Enable notifications. I'll now switch to my mobile screen to demonstrate these steps. On your phone, open the email from LiveXP, scroll down, and select the appropriate store for your device. Download and install the app. After installation, sign in with the same Google account you used earlier. Once done, the red text will turn green, confirming you've signed in successfully. Now let's continue. This is the key part: completing your tutor profile. Upload a formal profile picture, write your name and username, and mention where you're from. Fill in your tutor information, including a title and a brief introduction about yourself. This is where you talk about your experience and teaching methods. You'll also need to record a short introduction video. Follow the instructions provided.
Approach is unique because it focuses on understanding students' specific needs.
Once the video is uploaded, scroll down to upload a thumbnail. You can use your profile picture or follow their examples. Finally, pick up to 5 interests. I'll choose cycling, traveling, history, artificial intelligence, and foreign cultures. Click Complete Tutor Profile, and congratulations, you'll receive an update on your application status within 2 weeks. And that's it. Once my profile is reviewed, I'll show you how to start classes and begin earning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video.